YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. We're here with another banger. So today is the day. We are here at the wrap shop. I'll be dropping the Berserker off. Today is the 3rd, February 3rd. So we're here at the wrap shop dropping the Berserker off. I would show you guys the wrap that I'm getting, but you guys just gotta stay tuned. Stay tuned, we'll be back.
Digits on the beat.
Alright YouTube, what's going on? So today's the day. Like I said, the car's getting wrapped. We're at the wrap shop right now. I just talked to my guy and told him everything that needs to happen with the Berserker. So yes sir, he said give him about a week, everything will be done. So what he's gonna do is all those stickers are coming off. Those stickers are coming off. These this is plastic dip, that's coming off. This is plastic dip as well, that's coming off. He gotta take off my emblems to wrap the car, but yeah man. Y'all say goodbye to the Berserker. This is the last time you will see Berserker silver. Yes sir, the last time you will see it silver. Yes sir, so like I was saying man, he gonna get the Berserker looking right. He gonna get her looking right, you know what I'm saying? So man, y'all stay tuned. Y'all don't want to miss it. Like I said, we got the wheels did already. Last thing is the wrap. Yes, sir, man. This thing is going to be ridiculous. You don't want to miss. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, I'm finna go crazy with this thing, man. I gotta get my YouTube banner. If you guys know any places that has good YouTube banners, let me know down in the comment section because I need to order some. YouTube, what's going on? So, hey, today is the day that I was supposed to be going to pick the Berserker up, but due to circumstances and road conditions, my guy offered to drop the Berserker off. That's real courteous of him, and I appreciate that, bro, 100. And I'm gonna definitely give him some, pay him extra for that because he didn't have to do that. And I'll show you guys right now what the weather conditions are looking like. Today is February 11th. It's still snow on the ground, so give me a second and I'll show you guys. They made my pink boots. Those are wifey's. So yeah, as you can see, it's still cold as shit out here. Snow everywhere. So yeah, my guy offered to drop the Berserker off. So hey, I told him, hey, I can pick it up, but because the roads aren't too bad here. But he said, nah, man, I don't want you to, put the car through that beating, through all the snow and all that good stuff, because every highway ain't good. So I was like, all right, cool, too easy. So he's gonna drop the Berserker off, and we're just gonna stay tuned and wait for him to get here. So stay tuned, man. This is gonna be incredible. The wrap looks amazing. He sent me some pictures. I might post them throughout the video. So yeah, man, stay tuned. What's going on YouTube? So due to circumstances, my guy, he actually dropped the Berserker off yesterday, but we had some technical difficulties, so we didn't get the car off of the truck, off his flatbed until like 8 p.m. So it was already dark. So we'll go ahead and show you guys what the new Berserker looks like. So y'all ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Yes, sir. new color. I went with satin dark gray. Man, y'all can't tell me this thing don't look like a beast. Sheesh. Y'all can't tell me the Berserker don't look so beastly. Jesus. But yeah, that satin gray hit different, boy. So I went with satin gray and gloss black. It's cold as shit out here, so this is about to be a quick video, man. As y'all can see, I kept the black on the hood, gloss black, right there where it was. He tinted my windshield for me. Shout out to my guy, Warrior Tinting. I will leave a link in the description to all his information. So he painted my mirrors, gloss black. My roof is gloss black. Door handles, he wrapped those gloss black as well. You know what I'm saying? Woo! I just put those new little tire valve caps on. Sheesh. Yes, sir. So he filed down my wicker bill because it was scraping the car right there. He filed it on both sides. Yes, sir. Hey, the Berserker looks so stealthy, don't it? Sheesh. Man, my guy did a amazing, phenomenal job on the Berserker. I can't say this enough, man. He did a freaking phenomenal job, man. This looks like a brand new car, I tell you. 2K21, man, we taking over. We didn't get rolled over, you heard me? Yes, sir. Man, the Berserker is crazy. This bad boy looks stealth as I don't know what, man. I love it. I love it. If you guys, so I know you guys are gonna want to know how much I paid for the wrap. So the wrap itself cost me $3 grand, and I'll tell you what it included. It included, excuse the inside, it's kind of dirty. So what he did was he wrapped the door jambs as well. If you guys that don't know what door jambs is this portion right here all the way around. He wrapped it. As you can see, most of the time when people get a wrap on the car and they open the door, you can see the original color of the car, which you guys know the original color of the Berserker was silver. You don't see any silver because he wrapped all of it. Like I said, excuse the car, it's dirty right now because it's, you know, snow everywhere, but yeah, I'll get that cleaned up on a sunnier day. But yeah, $3K for all of that. And then he tinted my windshield. That was an extra 100, so 3,100. You know, I was like, bro, you can't beat that. This is a phenomenal job, I must say. I will recommend him to any of my followers. So if you are in the Kansas City, Missouri area, go to Warrior Tinting. I will leave all of his contact info in the description. And like I said, man, it is cold as shit. It is 6 degrees, so I'm gonna end the video here. If you like the content that I put out, if you like the Berserker's new wrap, new look, go ahead and let me know down below in the comment section. And maybe on a sunnier day, I'll do another video. But it's just too cold outside right now. It is literally 6 degrees. I'm freaking freezing. I'm gonna pull the Berserker back in the garage. And yeah, man, that's it, man. So y'all stay tuned for more videos, man. This is a dope ass wrap. If you guys have any questions about the wrap, let me know in the comment section. Like I said before, this is satin dark gray. If you guys have any other questions, let me know, man. And I'm out straight like that. Gang.